Hi, this is Benny, and today we are going to look at the Insta 360 1x2, which I bought a couple of days back, and I ordered a few accessories for this in Amazon, which I got it last night. So I thought of doing a video of unboxing of the accessories mainly, which will be no, I just wanted to see, which I just wanted to know whether it will be useful for my, videography and fun shooting. In fact, and let's see how they are gonna be, and let's unbox them. And before that, I just wanted to show the Insta 360 1x2, the one, the one which I bought a couple of days back in Dubai, and why I chose this over the we'll say the GoPro 10 or the DJI, ones was like this was looking better with the 360 degree, this one. And mostly I'm not into vlogging or blogging much, and I love fun photography, just going in for some hikes and to the beaches, and sometimes I go for some mountain trips where I wanted to use this. And sometimes I drive, or maybe I ride my old motorbike. Okay, so I just wanted to try it out how it's going to be. Okay, the thing what I wanted to share here is, unfortunately in Dubai they don't have this as a display unit anywhere, and it is not very easy to get also. Like, you have to go around. I know, in fact, I had to go around a few, outlets, major outlets in big malls, and a couple of them had them to, so that I can take it. But there were no display units. Whereas when you talk about the Hero, the GoPro and DJI, they have the display units. You can have a hands-on feeling of it. But this one, you don't. But I took a chance by seeing the other reviews on the YouTube. I took this, and really it's a good choice. Why I bought this, I'll come to that later again, like to tell you why I'm saying that it's a good choice. Okay, so this is the camera, Insta 360 1x2, what you get in the box. And inside the box here you get a few accessories, well, not accessories, in fact, a few stuff, maybe Insta 360 stickers, a couple of the quick start guide and stuff. Okay, and the 1x2 waterproofing, something like that, and these things, and of course a small pouch for this, a cleaning cloth, and a charging wire, a charging cable, a type C cable they give you. That's it. That's pretty much inside, nothing else. And okay, so now we'll put this aside and we'll go for the accessories. Okay, now when we all these accessories I ordered in Amazon. I got it last night, in fact. So I just wanted to open it, and let's see how it's gonna be useful for the Insta 360 1x2. Okay. Better to cut it off. Okay, this one is the case, I suppose. Let's see, the protective case. Okay. Okay, it has come with a small, good box, protective box, and a nice this one. And when I open this, okay, you have to be a bit careful. It looks a little flimsy. You don't bend it the other way around. Okay. Mainly this is the screen protector. In fact, I really wanted this so that it protects the lens protector. In fact, so it protects the lens. It snaps well, and yeah, got it. So this is the lens protector, because the Insta 360 One X2 is very vulnerable to break. In fact, if it falls down by mistake, or it happened because it's too handy, and this is the only place where you have to screw it and you know tighten it, so that the grip is good, but with your tripod or with any of your this one. But in case if you falls down either way, this way or the other way, you tend to break the lens. So this one protector is what I'm looking for, and good. It's tight, it's firm, in fact. Okay, and I think it protects well. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, and they have given a good a lens cleaner also, good cloth. Okay, fine. Then we'll come to the next one, what it is. Let's see. And the things, the accessories, you have to buy some of these accessories, because it doesn't, the manufacturer, of course, the Insta360 doesn't come with much of, accessories along with that, supplied. You have to buy it either in Amazon, or maybe they have their own set of accessories also, which you could buy. Yeah, this one is the extra batteries I ordered for. Okay, and I bought a couple of batteries. Okay, it's okay. It's good one. Hope it will be good. Anyway, okay, it's 1,700 milliamps battery. Okay, I bought I ordered for a couple of them. So see, yeah, ordered for a couple of them, and yeah, 2 batteries. Okay, both are 1,700 milliamps, and it comes with a charger also. Okay, it's a dual charger. Okay, and what else? Yeah, it has got the dual charger. It comes with the Type C as well as the Type A, I suppose. Yeah. Okay. To this, but they supply the. This is not the Type C. This is not the Type C cable they're giving, but you can charge it with the Type C cable as well. So that it will be a bit faster to charge. Okay. Yes. This way you can charge two batteries, and you can charge the Insta360 battery as well in this. Okay, this is quite handy and it's very useful. Okay. This is the other stuff which I bought, and let's go to the bigger packet what they have here, and let's see. These are some of the necessary accessories you may have to buy someday or the other. Some of them told me, you don't buy it, straight away, because you may not be using as much as you think right now. But someday or the other you may have to buy. At that time, instead of going and searching for all these things, I thought, okay, the important ones I'll just buy it, and then we'll go for the rest of the other things if necessary. Okay. Yeah, see, one more thing what I bought was the lens guard. For this also I ordered in Amazon, and this is okay from looks like I don't know whether this is the OE or okay. They have given 4 protective screens, I think, for the four protective screens and for either side, and two protective lens guards. In fact, I'm just opening one of them because I'm not gonna. As I said, I'm gonna just open one of them so that uh, yeah, the lens protector. Okay, and I may not be using this now, because I have to check if this protective case can fit in if I fix this up. I don't know, I'm not sure, but anyway, I'll have to try. If I'm not able to fix the protector now, like, I'm not going to use this for the time being. But anyway, let's see. Then they've given a few more dry wipes or something like that. So some dry wipes, okay, for the lens number 1 and 2. Okay, they've marked it well. Okay, and some stickers, the dust absorber stickers are good ones. I think they're given pretty enough. And again, they have given two more lens protectors, the screen protectors. These are not the lens protectors. I think these are the screen protectors, and I think you'll be able to see it, I think. Anyway, okay, some good stuff it is. And this is pretty much what is there inside in this. Anyway, let's go for the next one. And yes, the tripod. Okay, sorry, the tripod, the selfie stick. Okay, I ordered for a selfie stick. It's a Nissan, Television brand selfie stick, which can be extended by unscrewing it this way. I think it's pretty okay. It's aluminum, looks strong. It's not a long one. It's not maybe about 1.2 meters, something like that. Okay, it looks pretty good. You can see. I can touch the. Okay, it's pretty okay. Let me see, because I didn't want to go for a for a costly one. Let me use this. If it is okay, then maybe I'll try. I'll tend to I'll buy maybe a different one if this is not serving the purpose well. Okay, if not, I'll be happily using this, and okay, and I'll go for it. Okay, so pretty much it's okay, so going on. And okay, anyway, this is it. And they've given the you can fix it on the when you're in your bike and all. If you buy this the mobile holder, the bike in the handlebar or somewhere, you can hold, that holder is there, which I'm yet to buy. You can buy that, fix this still, and it's pretty convenient and easy. Anyway, okay, that's it with this, and we'll go for the next one. What is there inside? Okay, yeah, it is the silicone case. Okay, it's again good. It's pretty good quality silicone case, because this one has got a good rubber grip, but still, without this, I feel that it is still a little, you tend to hold it very, very cautiously. So I thought of ordering a silicone case. And okay, let me fix it and see how it feels. Yeah, it fits pretty well. Yeah, see, it's fit now, and you feel the difference when you're holding with the silicone case over it. It's extra protection. And they have given a small this one. You can see this how this flips up, and this one for the charging. Okay, so don't pull it, or while putting it on or removing, if you pull it, chances that this might come off. Don't do it, but it's pretty good. And this, with this on, I don't think I'll be able to fix this up on that. Okay, anyway, this is it, and we'll go for the next one. Let me put it inside. Okay, one more protective casing in case of doing some, for some rough use or something. I bought this case with this, and they have, what else? They have, yeah, it comes with this small lanyard, and this is the adjusting. They have given the adjuster to tighten it. To tighten the this bolt in case. Okay, anyway, this is it. So it will fix on this. Maybe when I'm not having this protector on, and this one, I'll try to fix it and use it anyway. Okay, this is pretty that. And yes, the last one. Yes, this is the the adapter for the 1x2, because there are a lot of aftermarket accessories for the action cameras. That so many accessories are there which can I think once you fix this on the on the 1x2, this could be useful to fix on a lot of other accessories, like the helmet, the helmet access, like the helmet fixing ones, and all those things, like so this is how it, so this is it, like so you can fix with any other accessories, as I was mentioning. Okay, so this is one small unit which accessory I bought. Anyway, the next one is this one. I bought this on the same day I bought this bought the Insta 1x2. Like, you can just fix it here, and it's pretty easy to carry, like so. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this is pretty much. And so you can, it's like a small pistol where you carry around, and it's very useful, it's very handy and stuff. This I bought the same day I bought the Insta 360. It's a very cheap one, but very useful one. It is very useful gadget, to say. Okay, so this is it. And the reason why I chose the Insta 360 over the GoPro is, like, the reason I wanted to share now. Like, okay, so for example, if I'm using a GoPro, and if I'm using a mobile phone fixed here, okay, and if I'm shooting it, there won't be much difference between using a GoPro or a good mobile phone, cell phone, because all the latest cell phones have got very good cameras. So this one with the Insta 360, it shoots well. You can see the vertical ones and horizontal 360 degrees, and whatever happens, after you shoot, you want to see what had happened right over your head, or right 90 degrees away from you. It was very useful. So that's the reason why I changed over to the Insta 360, okay, over the GoPro or the DJI. Anyway, so I hope this would have been useful for you all. Kindly post your videos and let us all learn from each other. Okay, and till I'll shoot some more videos and post it. Till then, take care, see you, bye bye, and be safe. Thank you.